name is Julian Totterdell and I've been driving since September 1990. The Nagel Group in Bridgewater in Somerset. My favourite truck is anything that is reliable. My favourite road is the M62, going from Manchester to Liverpool. The scenery is just great. Radio 2 was my favourite radio station. It gives me traffic reports and good choice of music. My biggest achievement of being a truck driver was actually progressing into the training team, training other drivers to drive trucks as well. Completing your daily duties, being professional and a good safe driver. Being a safe and fuel efficient driving instructor would probably give me the edge in the challenge. It's what I've been instructing our drivers for the last 2 or 3 years on how to save fuel and drive efficiently.